Are roadside camps now illegal? In simplest terms, no, not usually, unless you were evicted from the same piece of land within the last 12 months, or unless there's an injunction in place on that piece of land. There are still conditions that have got to be met before these new powers can be used. So firstly, this only relates to stopping on land without permission and where you have at least one vehicle. It applies where you've got intention to reside on land without the occupier's consent, or of course, are already residing on it. In this case, trailers and even a bow top count as separate vehicles. Secondly, you've got to have been asked to leave the land already. People empowered to ask you to leave are the police, the occupier of the land, and that could be the landowner, the self, or it can also mean, for example, a licensee or a leasee of the land, or their representatives. The notice to leave can come to you in writing or orally, meaning it does count, even if they just tell you in person. One key condition is that significant damage and or disruption and or distress have been caused or are likely to be caused. And finally, the offence itself is committed if the person or persons who were served with the notice fail to leave the land within a deadline, or if they try to return to that same land within 12 months.